In today's video tutorial, I will put you through on how you can create digital products on Fourthwall, which happens to be one of the platforms you can set up stores on YouTube as well as other platforms. It works just like Shopify and Spreadshop. Okay, so follow me as I put you through on how you can create your own products on that platform. Creating digital products for your photo online store involves just few clicks, okay? So open your web browser. In the search area, search for Fourthwall. Okay, you can see the website fourthwall.com. Just click on this first option. You are landing on this page. If you don't have an account already on the platform, just click on Start Now. But if you have already created an account with the platform, just click on Login. So I'm going with Login because I have already created an account on the platform. If you come down here, you can see some creators. This young man, MKBHD, has an account on this platform. It's a popular brand on YouTube, okay? So you can join the team of other creators. So let me click on Login. On this page, just log in with your email address and password, or you can select the option to sign in with Google. Once you log in successfully, you will see an interface that looks like this, okay? Come to this margin and click on Products. On this page, you can click on this, Create New Product, or you can come down to this section and click on Create New Product. Then this is a preview of what you have here. It says design something new, sell something I have, sell digital products. Okay, it's just guiding you on what step you are likely to take. Okay, so here we want to design something new, so click on this. Here you said would you like to create. Okay, said what would you like to create. Okay, say carton heritage Nieces premium hoodie. One advantage Spreadshop has over this is that it allows you to create some of these at once. Okay, that's the advantage it has over this one, over Fourthwall. Because there, once you upload your design, you spread it across hoodie, t-shirts, and bags. Okay, so but it's okay. So let's select our design, our choice. So I want to create something for women. So I'll click on this. Then this is still the preview of what you're creating. Okay, how it will look at the end. Then come down to this section and click on Design Now. We're taken to this page. Then click on Upload Image. Navigate to where the design you want to use is saved. So pick your design. Please ensure that your design is of high resolution, okay, to get the best result. So I'll select this and click on Open. So hold on for this to load and be placed here. Okay, it has loaded. So this is how it will look at the end. If you want to drag this, just click on it and increase it to the size you want further, okay? Alright, so but let me leave it at the default sizing because it's automatically detected, alright? So I'll click out. Then the next step, you can see the size here is 12 inches by 12 inches, 300 dpi to tell you that the resolution of this my design is okay. Okay, if we click on this preview, you will see how it will look at the end of the whole thing. You can see the preview how it will look at the end. Okay, so let me just get back to the design. Then the next step, click on next. Here give the product a name. Okay, with respect to the name of my file, I can call this keep grinding. Okay, then here describe the product very effectively because this will be used by search engines, okay? Then here you can see a default selling price is placed here at $39. Wait, and it says you will make $13.55 per sale. But if you don't want that, you can come down here, click on this and change the price. But please, as you change the price, pay attention to this to know whether you are losing or you are gaining at the end. So here I can change this to $30.99. All right. I can see it's telling me that you will make $5.54 per sale based on this my new price. Okay, so let me go and add this name and describe it at the back end for us to save time, and then I'll click on next for us to continue. Okay. Okay, I'm done giving this product a title, and the description is here. It says the title is Keep Grinding, the product name. Then under the description, it says this is a quality keep grinding hoodie for women. The design portrays empowerment for you to keep putting effort in what you do, and it will pay off one day. Just keep grinding and you will win. So it's a simple description. All right. So once you're done with this, click on next. Okay, we are taken to the next page, which is additional products section. All right. Okay, here they provide us with additional products we can assign our design on. Okay, just like Spreadshop. Spreadshop does that at the beginning of their own setup of products. Okay, so I don't even know they have this feature here on this side. So check the other products you want this to be applied to. Okay, so for me, I want it applied to mugs, to the mug, and to this Heritage Premium sweatshirts and Cotton Heritage Men's Premium Heavyweight Tee. All right, that's cool. That's cool. So you can see the prices from this. You can see the price here from $7.95. Okay, so this one from $22.5. All right. So the next step is click on next. Here we need to describe the additional products. Okay, this is supposed to show the preview of the product here, but I don't know, maybe the site is having technical issues in showing the preview of the products. Okay, so you describe the first product, which is t-shirt for men. In the previous page we saw that. The second one is mug. Okay, so give it a name, describe here. And the third one from the previous page is the female sweater. Are you getting it? So you give it a name and you describe. They can have the same names, okay? And then the descriptions will be different. Okay, so if you want to change the prices, come down here. Anytime you change, you see what you get here. So make your price in a way that it should not be too big for the people, potential buyers of your product, so that you can sell so many copies. Okay, then come down here, you can change the price to, but if this, for this I think is cool, I don't have any problem with this. Okay, $5.5, $5.05 per sale as again. I think it's cool, so there's no problem here. So this one, I think I'll change this price. Okay, so after that we proceed to publish. Okay, so I'm done describing the individual products here. Okay, the mug, the t-shirts, and the sweatshirt. Okay, I'm done with that. So the next step you need to take is just to hit publish now. Okay, you can see that here this first one is made public already, and these other ones are hidden, maybe because they suggested them to us, okay, at a particular stage. So what we need to do is just to unhide them. So click on this and then click here and select the public option and save. Okay, so it's now made public. You can see here listing type on demand. This product is produced to order ships within 3 to 5 days of being placed. Okay, so let's get back to the previous page, then click on this and then click here and select public and save. Okay, then get back again, click on this heading, click this drop down here and select public and save. Then we'll go back. Okay, so all these three products now are now made available for sale. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel. Here we discuss on technology, YouTube education, and self-publishing. So learn as much as you can because these are on-demand skills in our society today. Hit that like button for this video to be shared to more people and leave a comment. I want to hear your opinion about this, okay? It's very important to me as a creator. Watch this video to learn more on product design. See you next time.